We're 2 days out, 1 day out from an ice storm, our first ice storm. What's today's date? It's Friday, January 22nd? 23rd. We're 2 days out, 1 day out from an ice storm, our first ice storm. So I have some errands to run while this one is at futsal. Your hair's not combed and we're late. No. Just brought the boy to soccer, and my mama is in Florida right now. So she asked me to go to the supermarket, pick up bananas and oranges because we have everything else, but she wants bananas and the boy wants oranges. So we are going. Where's my stuff? Oh. Yo, it really be cold. It really be cold out here. Like, really doing life in weather that causes me to shiver. It's actually not that cold. I'm pleasantly surprised. There's like nothing in here. There are no tangerines. The people have bought up all the stuff for the storm. Now it's back to soccer. Well, futsal. You push and go. Morning, it's time to wake up. So we had some stuff get delivered from Home Depot because I was afraid that they were going to be out of stock. I'm still going to prep, even though the forecast says that we should be okay, because the forecast has changed 2-3 times a day for the past few days. So I'm still going to do what we're supposed to do, and if nothing else, it's an exercise in what we potentially have to do and be able to be ready for because of where we live. Oh, no. No! I'm very particular about the type of tea that I drink, and over the summer and throughout the fall, we grew lemongrass. Lemongrass is my favorite, and we didn't have any more over here where the tea is, but my mother always keeps a cup on the counter, so I have my lemongrass tea. And the weather has been wild because it snowed. It snowed last week. Goodbye. It's not supposed to snow here. Anyway, we're now late, so we'll head to the car.
Responsibility to pay you back. And the favour I would like to ask from you today is to...
What's this? Oh snap. Car karaoke.
What?
I've never tried it.
You do this.
Psst, I see dead people. Mustard on the beat, people in the rap. Yeah, feet go man down, call an ambulance, still in brief, bro.
Ambulance!
Cross, you walk around like Tizo.
Ambulance! Hold on. Is that ambulance? Is that ambulance? Did you hear that? Yes. Is that ambulance? Wait! He's Jamaican. Is he Jamaican? That's all we need to know.
I'm like, what's this?
Oh no, it's playing.
What's Jude?
No!
7? Baby, who's Skrilla?
Don't worry about it. What's a Skrilla?
You'll hear it soon enough.
They have so many answers, you ain't catch that. I can pass the shooting six drop. I don't be down. 6, 7. Pull up, do 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 do. Dump truck, baby shark, do 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 do. I pop the.
What is that? Hold on, wait a minute. First of all. My flabber is gassed. Wait. No! Wait. Just wait. Where's Nene? Just wait!
Yes.
My brain cells were falling out. Ooh, talk to me nice. Ah! Hi, Nene, we're coming.
/storm.
This is the sound of creamy, delicious. This is the sound of an organic valley farm where that milk comes from.
Oh, you only have.
You see me?
Hi, Nene.
Hi, Pumpkin.
Hi, Nene. Welcome back.
Hi. Listen,
Welcome back.
that's what I was saying to you, Passion.
How was the flight?
The flight was excellent.
Oh, that's good.
The flight was good. When we tell us that the flight good, the flight good. Then the flight never pack.
Mm-hmm.
So you know people want to sit down where they want, so the many people then follow.
Because they have to balance the
They
plane.
have to. They say please
and
wait.
stuff like that.
So yeah, like right here, so. But,
I think it's enough. I think they'll be fine. I think so. What y'all doing?
moving this rock right here. It keeps this in place. Turn it one more time, please. Yeah, Mr. Breeze. Take up that now. Breathe.
So we are putting these little cozies, I don't know what it's called, covers on the outside faucets, and then we have a standpipe. In Jamaica is a standpipe. We have a standpipe in the front of the house that we're gonna put sweaters on too. Everybody's getting sweaters. Well, not everybody. So first, we gotta measure this. So put what you got in your hands down and hold this. And you're gonna make an estimate of how much of the length of that you need. So you're gonna hold it next to the pipe to estimate how much length you need. Very good. Now put your finger
next to the top of, let's think about it. Let's look at it. Are we going to go that high? Right. Because you were like right up on the, yeah. So estimate now, put it next to it. So we can cut it. Put your finger where we need to cut on the thing. And then get your scissors. Carefully cut. Need some help?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to.
These scissors also suck, so don't feel no way.
Wow.
Alright.
That ain't fair. Yeah, this one.
What's not going down? Oh.
Do you expect that to go all the way around?
I did, because I thought I bought the right size, but look at this. We did not. So we're going to get innovative. And we're going to cut another piece the same length and stick it in the middle. Yeah. We could be innovative.
Wow. Right here. Get the scissors. Get these scissors.
Where am I cutting?
My fingers.
Can you hold it better than that, please? I need you, like right here. Squeeze it so it's easier for me to cut, please.
Excuse.
Did you just...
Maybe.
Alright, let me figure out this.
Saraba.
Let's see how this would work. I probably need about half of it. So, guesstimating. If I cut down the middle. Just gotta figure it out, you know?
Yeah.
See what works. Oh, that was, you see that straight cut? You see that perfection there, boy?
Y'all.
I didn't.
Straighten it
Talk
so
to
that
me nice
you could.
about the innovation, okay?
Yeah, that works.
Talk to me nice about the innovation.
Okay. Okay, innovated fellow.
Talk to me nice.
Bobbit the builder.
You know what I'm saying? I'll be out here doing stuff.
Oh.
The most.
Sure.
So we got that, right? How'd that look? That was good?
Let me get a close up real quick. Let's see this. Does this look, y'all? Does this look good?
Mine, cause Anthony.
Y'all, I think it looked good. Tell us in the comments. Tell us if y'all think it looks good in the comments. We need a plethora of comments, y'all. Telling us if you think Bobbette is doing a good job.
We gotta pull this and wrap it up by the garbage can so it can get thrown away. Or we probably should take it to the
Dump.
dump.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to know.
Huh. Hose.
You wanna come with me?
What do you say?
You wanna come with me now?
Nah. But you asked me. So then why did you ask me? I want to chill.
I thought you were smarter than that.
I want
I
to
thought you were smarter.
because I want to chill with Nene. Yes, I do. If I can't annoy you, I chill with Nene. That's how it always goes. Okay. I swear. If she says my name. I don't want to. Exactly.
We just came off Fenner Road and we're going to the recycling compound to put out our biodegradables before the ice storm. Biodegradable.
What happened to the plastic?
There's no plastic in there. I didn't put any plastic in there.
I think somebody said piece of plastic.
Might actually catch a lightning strike here. It's Snowstorm with Adam Lucio. So come on over to YouTube and check it out.
Good morning. This ice storm has now turned into a thunderstorm with a woodpecker. Oh my god. Can you see him? Can you see him going in? Sorry. Oh. So this storm that was supposed to bring us ice is no longer bringing us ice, which is great. So all the ice prep we did yesterday, it's fine. But now it rained all night. It's still raining. It's supposed to rain all day. And now we're on a thunderstorm warning with a tornado watch. Like,
Y'all watch this here. I believe we have a tornado on the ground here.
yo, there are tornadoes touching down in Alabama, yo. The weather is drunk. The weather is drunk. Hey y'all. So the ice storm turned thunderstorm and tornado warning. It didn't come together quite like the forecast, and that's all right. I'm still glad that we did the work to get prepared. The winter's not over yet, and more storms will come. It's actually gonna drop down to 15 degrees tonight, and we would have had to go outside and do all the stuff we did anyways. So the storm prep absolutely worked out. We have peace of mind because we're ready for the frost. We didn't get the freezing rain and all of that, and I'm not complaining because some other parts of Georgia and the rest of the East Coast and the South got a lot of weather, and they're still dealing with a lot of weather. So again, super grateful. You know, the chickens were taken care of. They got some extra bedding. They got everything topped up. Our cabbages and our broccoli that are still growing through the winter are covered and secure, so they shouldn't be impacted by the frost that's coming later on. I mean, it's really just the peace of mind. It's completely priceless. And especially as I'm thinking about what I'm going to do this week between practice and work and what's the one thing that I'm going to focus on to make sure it gets done, because at this rate I just have time for one thing. So I'm picking one thing a week to focus on and do, and that's going to more than likely be my closet. It's a love-hate relationship with my closet. But I recently learned, or rediscovered, I should say, capsule wardrobes. and I have this crazy idea to do something with AI to bring that to life. So we'll look at that next week, Tuesday. I'm super excited. You know, there are so many ways to incorporate the things that we do all the time, the basic stuff, you know, the good mainstay with a little twist, a little bit of the modern. And I feel like that's what AI becomes when you layer it on. Anywho, if you're so inclined, you can do the like thing, you can do the subscribe thing, and we're really glad that you decided to stop in. Take care.